If you're spending too much on Oracle licensing, support, or cloud services, you're not alone. But the good news is there are practical strategies to cut Oracle costs without risking compliance. In this video series, we break down 10 proven Oracle cost optimization strategies that global enterprises use to save millions. Whether you're in IT, procurement, or asset management, these tips will help you take control of your Oracle spend. Let's dive into the first strategy. 1. Right-size your hardware to lower license needs. Oracle licenses by core or socket, depending on the product. That means your hardware choices directly impact your Oracle costs. If you're using Database Enterprise Edition or WebLogic, choose CPUs with lower core counts or favorable core factors. For example, Intel x86 chips typically have a 0.5 core factor, cutting your license needs in half. On the other hand, Oracle Standard Edition 2 is licensed per socket, not core, so a 2-socket server can be drastically cheaper than a 32-core box. Review your hardware and match it to the lowest cost license model that still meets performance requirements. Contact Redress Compliance if you want help modeling the savings. 2. Use hard partitioning or isolation to contain licensing. In virtualized environments, Oracle's policies often force you to license every physical host, even if only one VM runs Oracle. That's a trap. The fix? Use Oracle-approved hard partitioning technologies, like Oracle VM with CPU pinning or IBM LPARs, to confine Oracle workloads to specific cores. If that's not an option, isolate Oracle on dedicated servers or clusters. One client cut their licensing by 75% by pinning Oracle to 8 cores instead of licensing 32. Don't let virtualization inflate your costs. Need help designing compliant partitioning? Contact Redress Compliance. 3. Leverage BYOL. Bring your own license to cloud. Already own Oracle licenses? Use them in the cloud under BYOL terms. Oracle lets you bring perpetual licenses to OCI, AWS, and Azure with significant savings. In OCI, Autonomous Database can cost up to 76% less when using BIOL. Just make sure to right-size your cloud instances. Over-provisioning vCPUs means over-licensing. Review your cloud architecture often to match real-world workloads. BYOL can turn Oracle Cloud into a cost-effective extension of your on-prem strategy, but only if done smartly. Want to assess your BYOL savings? Reach out to Redress Compliance. 4. Eliminate shelfware and unused licenses. Are you paying support on Oracle licenses you're not even using? That's shelfware, and it's a silent budget killer. If you purchased 100 licenses but only use 80, you're wasting 20 licenses worth of support fees every year. Identify unused options, tools, and modules, and cancel their support at contract renewal. One company saved 6 figures simply by removing idle database options from support. Audit what you're actually using and stop paying for what you're not. Redress Compliance can help you uncover hidden shelfware. 5. Switch to third-party support for stable systems. Oracle support costs near 22% of license value every year, and that adds up fast. If you're running stable systems that don't need frequent updates, third-party support can slash those costs. Providers like Rimini Street offer maintenance at 50% or less of Oracle's rates. You won't get new features, but for legacy or non-critical systems, the savings are substantial. Many clients save 6 to 7 figures annually by switching support providers. Curious if you're a fit for third-party support? Contact Redress Compliance. 6. Negotiate better deals and discounts. Never accept Oracle's first quote. Licensing is highly negotiable, especially before quarter end. Large customers often secure 50% to 70% discounts, and smaller deals can still benefit with the right leverage. Use competitive benchmarks, volume bundling, and strategic timing. Also, negotiate caps on future support increases, like a 3% annual limit. Every discount you win upfront compounds over the life of the agreement. Need Oracle pricing benchmarks or contract support? Talk to Redress Compliance. 7. Optimize license additions and options. Enterprise Edition isn't always necessary. If you're not using EE features, consider Oracle Standard Edition 2. It's cheaper and licenses per socket, not per core. Also, review any optional packs like Advanced Security, Tuning Pack, or Partitioning. These add significant cost but may not be needed. One company saved $100,000 a year just by turning off unused options and dropping them from support. Audit your feature usage and pay only for what you truly need. Redress Compliance can help you analyze edition fit and feature usage. 8. Consolidate and retire redundant systems. Oracle costs climb when environments sprawl. If you've got 20 lightly used Oracle servers, consider consolidating to 5 higher capacity systems. Fewer servers means fewer licenses and support contracts. Also, retire any Oracle applications no longer in use, and make sure support reflects that. One client reduced their database footprint by 40% just through consolidation, saving on both licensing and infrastructure. Cleanup, DRATs, cost savings. Need help building your Oracle consolidation plan? Contact Redress Compliance. 9. Utilize Oracle's license mobility and hybrid rights. If you have Oracle licenses with support, you may be able to reassign them to the cloud without extra cost. OCI offers support rewards, spend in Oracle Cloud, and earn credits against your on-prem support. For example, $100K in OCI spend could knock $25K, $33K off your support invoice. Also, with ULAs or pool-based licensing, deploying as much as possible under the fixed fee lowers your effective per-unit cost. Use every lever Oracle gives you, but only if you understand the fine print. For help using Oracle's license mobility rights to your advantage, contact Redress Compliance. 10. Consider alternatives for costly workloads. The most powerful Oracle cost-cutting strategy? Use Oracle less. Offload reporting, analytics, or dev test to cheaper platforms like PostgreSQL or cloud-native databases. Save Oracle for core transactional systems. Also review user roles. Not everyone needs full Oracle access. Some can use read-only tools or APIs, reducing named user license needs. Smart workload placement and license rightsizing can shift the cost curve dramatically over time. Need a roadmap for reducing Oracle dependency? Let Redress Compliance guide you. If you're serious about reducing Oracle costs, whether through licensing strategy, support optimization, or cloud planning, Redress Compliance is here to help. We're the leading independent advisory firm for Oracle licensing, contract negotiation, and audit defense.